Welcome to solverfy.
So question 58 could be a little tricky if we're not careful, but we are always careful, so we shall not be tricked. For the first part of this question, we are wanting to find, for the whole question, we're wanting to find where an object at infinity will be focused through a lens system. That includes a diverging lens and a converging lens. So the first step of the process for light coming in is going to be through our converging lens here. Parallel light comes in, and it's going to be focused at a point over here. And then finally, there is a converging lens, which will draw beautifully like this. That we want to see where the image will eventually be focused. So for the first lens, it's quite simple, because you have your D object for the first lens plus 1 over D image of your first lens, and that's equal to the focal length of your first lens. However, since this is infinity, this whole thing goes to 0. Thus, all you're left with is your image distance, which is equal to your focal distance for the first lens. So this is 20 centimeters. And I should draw it better here. The drawing is certainly not the scale here, because this is 14 centimeters. So it's a little off. But maybe I can improve this ever so slightly. There we go. Just like I intended. It's perfect. All right, so if this whole thing is 20 centimeters and this is 14, that means that this little bit is minus 6 centimeters, which leads us nicely to the next lens maker equation. We have D object 2 plus 1 over D image 2 equal to 1 over the focal length 2. And we have D object 2, which is minus 6 centimeters. And we can rearrange to solve for D image 2. All right, so we get that the final image is 7.2 centimeters. So the final image is going to be real, and it's going to be 7.2 centimeters beyond the second lens.